Do you find yourself constantly researching the new Ford Bronco, reading every review, watching every video, desperately consuming the fire hose of 4x4 content, trying to come up with the perfect build for your new truck, even though you know it will be years before you can get your hands on one? Well, if so, you may be suffering from bronchitis. No, not that one. The other. Yeah, that. Perfect. That one. Hi. I'm Dr. Byron, and I've seen firsthand how bronchitis can be devastating to your personal, professional, and online life. Your every waking moment becomes consumed by your interminable quest to secure the perfect off-road SUV. But there's good news. Bronchitis is treatable, thanks to Wrangler, from the makers of Palisade. Wrangler is an improved treatment for both acute and chronic bronchitis. It works by doing 99% of what a Bronco will do, today, and probably for less money. Just listen to these patients who are now free of bronchitis.
Hi, I'm Lisa. I was suffering from acute bronchitis until my friend told me about Wrangler. I feel just as smug as ever, and it was super affordable. Thanks, Wrangler.
Hi, my name is Dane, and I've suffered from chronic bronchitis since my buddies showed me the Bronco concept back in 2004. My doctor prescribed Wrangler, and now I know to dismissively refer to the Bronco as a gussied up escape built for posers. Thanks, Wrangler.
Hey, I'm Phil. I was gonna spend $86,000 on a 2021 Ford Bronco, but then my friend let me try his Wrangler. I scored my own on the used market, and I couldn't be happier. Thanks, Wrangler.
If you're suffering from bronchitis, ask your doctor about Wrangler today.
There's no such thing as bronchitis. Well, actually there is, but it has nothing to do with the Ford Bronco. Don't buy a new Ford Bronco with markup. Don't buy anything in this market at all, actually. Seriously, you'll go broke. Ride a scooter, get a bus pass, marry somebody who makes more money than you, and borrow one of their cars. Sell drugs. Don't actually sell drugs. Wrangler is not an approved treatment for telluritis. If you're suffering from telluritis, please see your doctor about Palisade. Wrangler isn't even a real drug. It's just Wrangler with a really stupid accent. Side effects of Wrangler may include a lower car payment, instant gratification, and the grudging satisfaction of knowing that second best can still be pretty good.